extend here.
Stay away.
To get the tide for a second, just extend, go fast.
Don't go right.
Okay, at the moment...
I can go right and go to Garston.
Just
Yeah.
give them the last tide,
At the moment we're already going towards Garston.
Are we going for G5 or further south?
Further south.
Is that kicker all the way up?
Off.
Can that pole come down more?
Can do, yeah.
Keep trimming it, Sam.
No, I mean, yeah, that's alright.
We've got 100 foot anchor line to Just trim something.
You're on it.
I'm on.
Yeah, we're doing 2.7 knots that way at the moment.
Full of it.
We are not making the mark. This is the land, yeah?
Yeah, I'd put.
I don't think we got enough line.
Okay. What's the depth?
50.
Oh, yeah.
Can we take the blue guy out?
Yeah, Tom. Difference on that side is in the pole, isn't it?
No,
this
just
side.
get out of the water.
Oh, sorry.
On the lazy.
So, yeah, we unclipped it before.
Okay, yeah.
Does it? Right, just bearing away again.
Bring the man on. Oh, here.
Yeah, Owen, can we your weight down here, please? Forwards if we can.
Wait, so where it was?
Forwards if you go up to the shrouds on this side.
What's our sog and cog?
Sog's 2.5.
Sogs 2.2.
Backwards.
Yeah.
So we will be quicker to
Okay,
catch.
so the next mark is E2.
Just I don't think we got enough
So,
line.
Paul, how
Yeah.
far right do we have to go to get into shallow water?
A couple of 100 metres, 200 metres.
Can we get over there?
Right, day dunes. I don't know, day dunes and different breeds there. Is the jib set to go if we need it?
No.
It should be. Yeah. There's no reason it shouldn't be. Oh, apart from... Where's the Windex at the minute?
It's on the nose. It's on the nose.
The other option is I could try and meet up and just get all...
Just,
Probably end up down there.
I think you're gonna lose weight to the tide soon. I can see. I know why they've gone to jib. I get it.
Yeah.
Can you come any higher?
Let me try it.
I'm just thinking it's going to be last tide over there.
Is that sweet you're holding them?
Benefit of getting, guys, Sam, the benefit of getting up there is the tide dies off as well.
That's what I'm working out, but
Yeah.
it's worth just
It
taking
is worth
go
taking
south.
hits, I think it is, yeah.
Well, if we can get up there with a kite, it'd be better than the jib.
Yep, yep.
Right, that's... Ease it all Sam or not? I don't know. There is pressure there.
What is it? Stand by for a jib.
Doing
Right,
quarter
just everyone just stand by. We could need a very quick dropper. I think that's it.
Jib,
Simon.
jib.
Get a clutch on.
Okay, port drop on the kite.
Down over.
Okay, let's get this kite down.
Yeah, go Halliard.
Halliard!
Attack it. I'll put off. Happy with the main mark?
Yeah.
Looks like we're, yeah, good. Nice. That's really good. I've got no steerage at the minute.
Ease everything out. Take ease. Help him get steerage. Help him get steerage, sure.
Yeah. At the minute we're going backwards.
Fast.
guy.
Gav, just let the blue guy off the winch, please. Right, I have steerage. Right. We will need to tack soon. Right, good job guys, that was good.
Some breeze in now.
There we go.
Nice breeze.
Right, ooh, need to push a little bit.
You want trim on you?
Yeah, do a little bit of kicker. Yeah, cheers.
Hold, yeah, hold
Yeah,
down.
good breeze now.
Not too much damage in this place. Oh, way out. Right, we're building, that's good. Right, yeah, there's good breeze there.
Loads of breeze.
You get more dips up? Open up. Yeah, I'm going to lean on that, and then I think once we've got a bit of pace, we start.
Can I trim that to trim it? Or?
Yeah, I think we need more power.
Okay, 1.5 we're actually making now.
2 knots, right. Thoughts about tacking? While we're in the breeze before they do.
Yeah.
Right, everyone load up. Ready?
Give us a black football.
Going in 3.
Okay, let's do it. Go, go.
Right, 3, 2, 1. Tacking over now. Go. Sheet on. That's really good. Right, cracking up a little bit, guys. A little bit more deep alley if we can. Yeah, please. Mind if you get another turn onto the winch. Okay, wait up. That'll do. Bit more, bit more.
Nice. You want to just get, that's it, just go underneath there.
We are still 20 degrees low on the mark.
Yeah, but we're going the right way.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. We've got some pressure as well.
Right, Sam, you just trim that jib, how you think? Can we have a little bit more main halyard as well, please, Gav?
Touches.
A little bit more main
Oh, you
halyard.
see that open. And that's the blue one off. Just a sec. Okay, now put it back on.
Keep going, keep going. That's nice. Perfect, perfect. How are we looking on your foot? Good. Lift it again. We're lifting all the time. Yeah, this is the start.
Well, remember the guys that on the kite on the port side. But the guys off the kite on the port side. Oh, okay.
No one would do that now.
Yeah, please,
Wrap
please.
a little bit south. Struggle with south there.
Outside the boat, yeah.
Right down.
Do the knot into the back, alright?
Yeah, that's fine. No, fucking
Bit, a little bit back stay. Do more again.
I'm taking right into the wall, look at a hole.
Yeah, totally agree, yeah.
Don't just stop the kick and go. That's it. Good drop there, that was good. Just thinking, got dingle, G3 starboard, E2 to port, G9 to port, G7 to port. So just trying to think next leg, next tight leg,
It's B2 to G9.
which is going to be this side anyway if it was.
I think it is, yes.
They might be too tight with this new breeze.
It might be the other side.
Well no, it might just be this. E2 to G9, it's just going to be a fetchy reach, isn't it?
Where's not? That one.
Yeah, green one up there.
Green one, yeah, covered it. It's going to be a tack, but further over here we go, the left side.
Yeah, they're going to get the side, out the side. Yeah, they're probably ahead of them.
Is they rate higher?
By 1 point. Where's the car, Sam?
Car's just in the car.
Is that on the brake in the deck? In the deck thing? I saw the top of the jib brake a little bit. Try a little bit. See what it does.
Still more cheap to do that, right?
Yeah, man. Do 5-1 at the minute, it seems like.
They'll slide at the top.
Okay, good.
Just take that. Put your feet down, go back to the office. Can I just say something, guys? That run from E2 to G9 is 60 degrees lower than what we're doing at the
Okay,
moment.
then, yeah,
so
port pole.
the pole does need to be on the port side.
Which it is. Oh no, it's not, is it?
No?
Yeah.
Exactly,
No.
just change over.
Do it on the leg from G3 to E2 if you want. Actually, no, hang on.
G3 E2 is going to be a kite.
I've probably got a bit of it. Let me start now.
G3 E2 starboard pole.
Sorry?
G3 to E2 is starboard pole.
Big pressure coming in on the.
Oh, sorry. We might make it, yeah, sorry.
Right,
yeah,
what we
I'll
do
do it
is
on the
do,
next leg.
if you haven't already, is plug the blue guy on. Yeah, good. So we're set. Yeah, you see Daydream's on the side now. This is the starboard. Slow.
Alright, Dad.
Everyone just put your backs on the coach
A
route.
little bit ease on that backstay.
We have got more pressure coming, I can see it. Little more. Right, here's pressure. What's our sub?
3-6.
Okay, good, we've got one more time.
Further over we go. Further over we go, the left side. But obviously more distance.
Not going that way, or what? No, it's still coming in.
Going this way, but it's less here than ours.
Well, if we're in the middle, should we put attack in early?
No.
Because we're not on a bank here.
No.
There's less by the wall.
This side's only just starting to die off now. There we are. Further we go over, the left.
Right, Daydream.